Hey everybody, Pat McCarry here. Welcome back to the Hidden World of Maths. So you'd have seen in the last two episodes, first one we looked at System 1 and System 2 thinking and how our minds default to speed. Last time we looked at the lily pond, or the lily in the pond, and we saw that its growth over time, when it's doubling, is not a smooth, steady growth, which is what we're used to experiencing, but it's this exponential growth where as time goes on we get these explosions of growth, these huge elements of growth that we see in things like compounding interest, growth of viruses, etc. So we have a different question today. Again, just reiterating, we're not about what's right and what's wrong. That's not kind of what we're primarily interested in. We're trying to enjoy the subject and be curious. So I have a new question. We're building a wall. We have 5 workers. And it takes those 5 workers 15 hours to build the wall. My question is, how long will it take 3 builders to build the same wall? Have a go, be curious, and then come back once you are ready. So freeze the video now. Welcome back. Okay, how did you get on? So the actual answer is 25 hours. So if we look at this here. Now, some people go with the gut, a sort of vibe of, okay, if it takes 5 workers 15, some sort of guess. Some people scale down, so it's like if it takes 5 15, maybe it takes 3 12 hours. That doesn't make sense, because if there's fewer workers, it's going to take longer. So that's what we call an inverse relationship. As one variable goes down, the other one goes up, rather than both of them going down or up. So this basically is how we do this. We need a unit to track. And the unit we track here, the quantity we track here, is the number of work hours involved in building the wall. So we have 5 builders, each of them does 15 hours. So the total hours for the job is 5 times 15, which is 75 hours. That's the hours involved. So we just then divide that by however many workers we have. And in this instance, we're going to divide it by 3 so that we have 25 hours. It takes 3 workers, longer obviously, and it takes them 25 hours. Be interested in what your mind did, be interested in how you got on, and I'm going to leave you with a challenge. Now this is a slight progression on what we've just done, but have some fun with it anyway. So this time, 5 builders with taking 15 hours, and the question is, how long will it take 2 builders to build 3 walls? So there is an add-on with a different number of walls. Work with one variable at a time, have some fun, and post your answers in the comments below. Great to see you. See you next time.